How to find out saved passwords in Windows 10. Warning, do not abuse this educational upload. To find out saved passwords in your own Windows 10 PC, you may try, Method 1, using Windows Credential Manager. Method 2, find saved passwords using Command Prompt, Admin Mode. Command, rundle32.exe. keymgr.dllkrshokemgr. Method 3, use third-party tools, credentials file view, vault password view, encrypted reg view. Note, some antivirus software may block you from installing or running such decryption tools.